All right, it is Friday. We're doing our new rhyme recognition one where I'll say 3 words and you repeat the 2 words back to me that rhyme, okay? Pop, hip, hop. And you would say pop, hop are the ones that rhyme. Set, sat, bet. You would say set, bet. Got, get, not. I hope you said got, not. They rhyme. Bug, bag, rug. And you would say bug, rug. Haul, pill, tall. Haul, tall. Last one. Ham, him, jam. Ham and jam rhyme. Okay, I will say the onset. So I'm going to say the word. You tell me what the word starts with. April. A. Unit. U. Nation. Telescope. T. Eagle. E. Good. Okay, we're blending the body of the word and the coda is the ending sound. Grand, grand. Plant, plant. Stomp, and then you do the blending. I'll do the parts and you do the blending. We're trying something new. Grunt, grunt. Brand, brand. Clamp, clamp. Spent, spent. Good. Okay, I will say the sentence. You tell me what the final sound of all the words in the sentence are. Todd played hard. D. Pam came home. Pete ate yogurt. T. Liz has roses. Z. Tall Bill fell. Oh, good. This one's just a fun one. Pop, up, pop. Pop. Okay, we're going to segment the onset sound with the rhyme part, okay? So I'm going to say the word, and then you repeat it, and you segment it. I will check with you at the end. Ramp. I hope you did amp. Fond. On. Loft. I hope you did oft. Pond. Pond. That last part's just a check. I want you to do it by yourself. Felt. Felt. Last one. Silk. Ilk. Okay, good job. We're going to add our initial phonemes. We have esh. Add to the beginning to make esh, mesh. Good. We have ape. Add t to the beginning to make tape. We have is, add h to the beginning to make his. We have eek, add what to the beginning to make week. We have us, add b to the beginning to make bus. We have ope, add s to the beginning to make soap. Good. Now we're going to delete the initial phoneme. We have the word gum without g. What's left? We have the word back without b. What's left? Ack. We have the word rhyme without What's left? I'm. We have the word cute without k. What's left? Ute. We have the word jam without j. What's left? Am. We have the word peak without p. What's left? Eek. Okay, we're going to substitute phonemes, the initial phoneme. We have the word mast. Change to k. What's the word? Cast. We have the word cast. Change k to ul. What's the word? Last. We have the word last. Change ul to f. What's the word? Fast. We have the word fast. Change f to p. What's the word? Past. We have the word past. Change p to What's the word? Mast. We're back at the beginning. Okay, and our nursery rhyme today is Itsy Bitsy Spider, and I have a feeling you know this one. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. All right, happy Friday. We'll see you next week.